everybody, my name is Pamela. Welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. Thank you all so much for tuning in. What I have for you guys today is a wig. It is called Clara. This wig is by Model Chic, and it is a premium wig, and I got this color in a 1B. Now this is style 1 and this is style 2. I think you can style it either way. You guys, this wig is safe up to 400 degrees, curling iron friendly. And you guys, I had this wig for a while. I don't know where I ordered it from. I just been having it stashed in my wig box. Ever since I've been going natural, I wear my wigs every now and then. When I used to wear my wigs a whole lot and used to do wig reviews constantly, but now that I'm natural, I hardly ever wear them, but I don't mind wearing my wigs every now and then, and it's time for me to pull them out and start wearing them. Yes, start wearing them. Okay, this wig doesn't have any combs. Clara doesn't have any combs. She does have secure tabs here. Let me go ahead and secure her. And I'm going to show you guys how she looks on my head. And I got her, like I said, I got her in a 1B. And you guys, I do have my wig cap on. And I don't have it on the edge of my hair. Now I'm going to show you how she looks on my head. Making me look like Betty Boop. Alright, this is how she looks on my head, you guys. Which I do not like her like this because it makes me look as if I'm back in the 50s. No, I do not like her. Now she is thin, lightweight, and she is big head friendly. She has a little shine here. Look at that shine. And has curls, which you can just spruce her out, which I'm going to do. I just want to show you guys how she looks out of the bag up on my head. And now this is how she looks in the back. Okay. And let me see what I can do to her. Okay, you guys, I think I'm liking her like this, you know. You guys, you can cut it however you like, but I didn't like that first style. It says a couple of styles, you know. You can wear her straight out the bag like this, or you can just fluff her up. Okay, so I'd rather wear her fluffed up. So if you like this wig, just let me know down below. You can check out the websites and look up Clara by Model. Okay. Okay, you guys, I had to go and throw on some earrings. Let me know if you like this wig. She is big head friendly. She doesn't have combs. She does have adjustable straps. You have ear tabs here that is secure to your head. You can style her either way. You can wear her flat, or you can fluff her up to your liking. You can give her a haircut, you know, at your style. But I think I like her better like this instead of laying flat. Yes, I like her like this. And okay. Twirl it, give it a little twirl in the front. Yes. Can give you the side view of her. Back view. Side view. Front view. And she's very soft, you guys. And the curls are not so tight. Okay, you guys, let's play with this wig. Got my brush, and we're going to brush her out. Okay? See how we can wear her in how many ways. tried many ways, but my way is like this. I love it like this. This wig, it doesn't shed. It doesn't shed, but just hair just gets in your face and you just have to, you know, get it out the way. Y'all, I mean, I like this. I like the curls in it, the way it just swoops on your forehead. And then you also can, you know, make the little sideburn here and twirl it there. And I just love it, y'all. I just love it. Alrighty, you guys. Thank you all so much for tuning in. And if you want this wig, just go ahead and look up Clara by Model. She was very reasonable. Alright, you guys. Thank you all so much for watching, and please come back. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Bye-bye. And you can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe and comment.